Everyone, welcome to Life with Suviksha. I hope all of you all are doing well. This video is going to be a personal reset video. If you look at me, I have not been doing well. I was sick for a lot of days, and you can see that I have a lot of going on. I have a lot of pigmentation, scars, and the way I'm dressing, everything needs to change. So, this is going to be a little reset for new me. So, the tasks which I have is number one, do something about my face, have a routine, and at least wash my face. Number two is to dress little well. See, when you work from home, the problem is you get little relaxed and then you are back into your pajamas. So that is a problem. That's step number two. And then third thing is to do something with my nails. Yes, it looks like it needs some care. And the last thing is to try out some new kurtis that I bought from Amazon. They are so good. I can't wait to try them. So yeah, keep watching and hit the subscribe button if you're new here. So in my kitchen, yes, the sink here is bigger, so washing my face will be very easy here. I use Acne Stal. This is recommended by the doctor which I go to, because actually, if you see, I have had terrible acne before. I've taken Accutane for that. So this is what I use, and very little. Something should improve about my skin. Yeah. So let's deep dive into the skincare part. Nothing fancy. Okay. The thing about my channel is I want to make it as real as possible. Okay. These fancy things, nothing. Just very real. See the wall over there? Okay. First things first. Patanjali aloe vera gel to the rescue. Actually, skin looks nicer on camera, but in real life, it's not that good. If you see this part, it needs some correction. Okay. Now, for the black spots over here, I will use Cozy Care. Cozy Care. So this one also suggested by the doctor, which I go little bit. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. That's it. Actually, I wear glasses, right? So I can't see clearly without them. So I will wear them once and then check it. Looks good. No lip balm, nothing. Oh, here I found something here. This is a ring. This ring has Murugar or Skanda in it. If you watch me on YouTube on my other channel, Mind Matters with Sviksha, I talk a lot about spirituality, Naam Jap and all of those. So today I've uploaded one video about Skanda and this pops up. So I'm going to wear it on my middle index finger. So I just washed my hair, so ignore the hair. So this is how the first kurti looks. It's so nice, like it's 100% cotton, and the cut is nice. The neck pattern is very good, and everything seems to be very comfortable. Like for somebody who works from home, this is super nice. And I have one more. This is the second kurti that I bought, and I have to remove this thing that is there. It's a little bit loose, but I like the fit, and it looks so chic and so elegant. There are buttons here, so I can change the button length like according to that. And so yeah, so that kurti and this kurti, they both are worth it. If you want, I'll give you links. My hair should dry, but yeah, I like this. This area of shooting. I like this spot because you can see my back and you can also see my front. So it's nice. Yeah. So I'll give you the links for both these kurtis in the description box. Each costed, I think, $389. That one was $379. This one was $389. And it's an absolute excellent buy. Let's do my nail routine. If you see, I have grown my nails a little bit. It used to be so stubby and so small. And I experimented with the color over here, which looks terrible. So I'm taking this nail remover wipes and just using a little bit of it and removing the mess that I have here. Actually, I love to try nail polishes, new things with my nail, but it never really lasts. It chips or I remove it. So this is what we are with now. Clean, natural nails. So to just give it some shine and strength, I just use this Just Herbs nail paint formula. It's a clear one. So I just take a little bit. It's called Gloss It Up. I take a little bit of it and then I apply it on the natural nail. Just little. And then on this end. It gives that beautiful shine, like that natural shine. I shaped my nails yesterday, so they don't need shaping anymore. This is how it looks actually. See, it looks so shiny and so beautiful right now. I have to say that because it's my nails. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I have done all the 4 things. I took care of my skin and then I did something about my nails and I tried out the new kurtis. So yeah, this was it for today's video. If you're new here and you like the channel, hit the subscribe button and I will see you all next Friday. Until then, bye-bye.